So the title of this program is Encourage, Empower and Excel in Professional Life. Okay. So in today's life, we are having various responsibilities. So we have responsibilities at our home, responsibilities at our workplace. So we have to balance both the responsibilities. We have to play various roles, both in the family as well as in the workplace. So how best we can do all these activities? How happily we can spend the day? How happily we can forget the past? How happily we can step into the future? Okay. So this is the objective of the program today. So the presentation outline, initially we are going to see about positive thinking, then stress management, about health and happiness, then mental and emotional development, how healthy you can keep your body, how healthy you can keep your thoughts, and how happy you can keep your soul. So we are going to concentrate on all these aspects, and finally we are going to end the session with meditation. So this is the plan for this event. So main concentration and main focus here will be on these three things: body, mind and soul. For a general development, holistic development, we need to concentrate on all these aspects, physiological aspects. Okay, you have to keep your body fit. Cognitive, intellectual functions of the mind. So various activities performed by the brain. Psychological thinking. So how healthy your thinking aspect is. How positively you are thinking. How best you are far away from the negativities. Then society, how you are moving in the society. An individual, as an individual, how you are interacting with the other group of individuals. Then spirituality, consciousness and belief in your own self. So about positive energy. So initially, I would like to welcome you all with this positive energy. So let us get some positive energy listening to this, just seeing this video for a few minutes. So now about positive thinking. So we should have an optimistic attitude always. Okay. So this will help you to practice focusing on good things in any given situation. Big impact on your physical and mental health. So the benefits of positive thinking. Okay. So you will have a longer lifespan, lower chance of having a heart attack, better physical health, greater resistance to illness, that is having lot of immunity, lower blood pressure, better stress management and better pain tolerance. In continuation with that, you are having more creativity, greater problem solving skills, clear thinking, better mood, better coping skills and less depression. So how to practice positive thinking? Smile more. Let us practice this. Can you just look at those who are around you and wish them a good day? Can you just do this? If you want, you can turn back, you can turn front. Okay? Yes. So you're happy? So when we wish others, we feel happy. Okay? So very often we need to wish the other person. Okay? So always try to appreciate somebody. So every day you try to appreciate somebody. So keep some goals. Okay? So that you will get lot of happiness. Especially happiness in your mind. Inner happiness. So that is very important to keep you energetic throughout the day. Okay. So if your wife or your husband, whoever is helping you, okay. So if your husband is coming and dropping you, you can wish him a good day. If your wife is bringing your lunch, breakfast, and see that you are getting ready, you can wish her, okay. So today you have prepared everything well. So have a good day. Okay, if your children, you can wish them so that they are all in a happy mood. So wishing one another helps to bring both whoever is wishing as well as whoever is getting the wish, both to be in a happy mood. So when you are in a happy mood, so you will do many things in a fruitful manner. Okay. So you should always try to smile more. Then reframe your situation. Okay. Suppose very often we come across many different situations. Okay. By our experience we can know, okay, this person, today morning I am seeing this person. That's all. Today it's gone. So like that we may be having various pessimistic views, okay, or negative thinking. So that what you should do, should try to avoid those kind of situations. So whatever you feel that, so this is not bringing you happiness. If I go to the shop, I don't like the shopkeeper, I don't like the way in which he is treating the customers, so then don't go to that shop, please choose some other shop. Okay. So like that you can try to change your options so that you are not entering to that negative mood or meeting the negative persons. Okay. So like that you can identify and you can reframe your situation. Then keep a gratitude journal. So every day before going to sleep, you have to thank whoever have helped you. Okay. On that particular day. Okay. So you can thank many persons, starting from your parents, your father, your mother, your husband or wife, or your children, or your neighbor, or your friend, or your classmate, or your colleague, or your head of the department, or your principal, or your management. Okay. So when you are getting the salary, you can just spend 1 minute. Okay. So today I have received my salary. The management is kind enough to give the salary on the last day of every month. So we are promptly getting the salary. So I should get this salary every month by the grace of God. So like that you can thank whoever you feel like thanking on that day. And you can end the day in a very nice manner. Okay. So every day you should have this practice of thanking persons. So thanking some certain things. Maybe your vehicle is helping you to go wherever you want to go. So maybe your house is very compact, very nice. So you are staying there. So you can thank your house. So because of this, I am in this particular locality. So it is very easy for me to go to other places wherever I would like to visit. So like that you can try to thank many things, many people, so that you are in a happy mood. Then picture your best possible future. So always you should have a positive thinking, dream about your future. So in after 2 years, how you want to be. After 5 years, how you want to be. After 10 years, in which country you want to live. How you want to live your life. So in what post you want to be. So like that, the more you dream about yourself, the more you dream in a better manner, the more opportunities you will get to reach or achieve all those goals. Focus on your strength. See, many times we will be thinking that, so I am not good in this, I am not able to do this, I am not able to do that, I am not able to go there, I am not able to meet that person. So not able to, not able to, not able to. So all that you forget. Okay. So reframe that sentence. Okay. So initially we have seen about reframing your situation. Now try to reframe your situation. Okay. So instead of that, I am having this. Okay. Instead of this, I am having this. So try to focus on your strength. So whatever you have, whatever you possess. Okay. So then slowly, whatever you dream about will come true one day. Action plan. You should do exercise. Focus on good things. Do something nice for someone. Okay. So whatever is possible for you, try to help others. Whatever best you can do for others, always try to do that. Please don't neglect that. Then focus on the present moment. So many times, so our mind will be either thinking about the past that too not good past, bad past. Okay, whatever had happened worst in our life. So always our mind will be thinking about those worst situations. So you should come out of that. Otherwise, what is our mind doing? Always dreaming about, not dreaming about, again having lot of confusion. Whether this COVID-19, it got that spread during 2019, slowly it came to our place in March, April 2020. So now we are having another variant of virus, Omicron. In future, what is going to do? So when it is going to affect me, whether it will affect me, what is going to happen? So when it is going to go away from this world, whether any new other virus is going to come. So what is going to happen? So all these confusions will be going on in our mind. Okay. So this is just about pandemic I'm telling. So we know what are all the situations because of which our mind is not having a good thought. Okay. So always having a confusion. So whether it will be like that, whether it will go wrong like that. So we are always either in this thinking about the worst past situation or being confused about what is going to happen in the future. Okay. So in this process, we are not living in the present. The more you live in the present, the more you will enjoy your life. Okay. The more you concentrate on that particular day, forgetting the past, not thinking too much about the future. The more you concentrate on that particular day, present day, the more you will enjoy your life. The more you like yourself, you will try to actually spread it to the others also. So like that you should try to reorient or change the way in which your mind is thinking. Then surround yourself with positive people. Okay. So there will be somebody always, they will be talking only negative aspects. Okay. So you cannot do that. See, don't go there. Don't try that. Don't apply for that job. You will not get that. So they are asking for this qualification. They are asking for these many experiences. So don't apply. So like that, somebody will be always trying to pull you down. Okay. So unknowingly, maybe your good friend also may be of this particular habit. Okay. So always you should surround yourself with positive people, good people who is trying to help you to come up in life. Okay. So like that you should have your friends circle. So this is about positive thinking. So now we are going to see about stress management. So stress produces numerous symptoms which vary according to person, situations and severity. So these can include physical health decline as well as depression. So these are all the effects of having stress. The causes of stress: worried about something, worried about your children, worried about your job security, worried about your personal or family problems, you are worried about your loans. So these are some of the reasons why you are getting stress. So there are a lot of other reasons. So this advantages of this particular stress: less absenteeism. Okay. So improved job performance, less stressful, more efficient workplace, improved employee attitude, improved employee overall health. So these are all the advantages of not having stress. So these are all the various aspects. Practicing all this, you can try to come out of the stress. So the aspects are doing some exercise, having some hobby for your own self and spending some time in each day in doing that particular hobby, doing meditation, doing yoga, then just looking at the nature. Okay, we have spent some time looking at the nature. Okay, so it is giving some happiness to our mind. So you can visit some places. See, certain places if you visit, you will get some inner happiness. Okay, so those kinds of places you know. So certain places if you visit, you are able to enjoy that particular visit. Okay. So those places you can visit more and more often so that you are able to enjoy your life. Then time management. So whenever you go to a particular place, okay, if you have to go to a particular place, always try to be there at least 10 minutes before that particular event begins, or try to go late so that whenever you go late, one tension will be there to see that you are able to handle that particular situation. Okay. So in order to avoid that, it is better to have learn time management techniques. Okay. So you should try to prioritize. So what should be done first, what should be completed today, what should be done after 2 days or next week, what can be done. So all that you should try to sort out and prioritize so that you are not having stress. So you can listen to some music, so you can undertake some therapy and spa. So these are all the various aspects by which you can try to have no stress. The relief from stress, stop shallow breathing, create the habit of deep breaths. So we are going to practice that after this presentation. Visualize and communicate your vision. Laugh, crack jokes and laugh. Okay. So there is nothing wrong. So always you should try to have some humor. Okay. And laugh so that you are not in a serious mood always. Be aware of your choices. You always have a choice. Okay. So this thought should be there in your mind. Then learn to say no. Be thankful. Listen to music. ABC, that is awareness. You should be able to balance the stress and you should also be able to control the stress. If your mind is racing, learn to meditate and let the stress go. Regular exercise, breathing exercise, so all these are the practices you can perform, you can learn, you can experience so that you can come out of stress. So this is by Mahatma Gandhi. Your beliefs become your thoughts become your words become your actions become your habits become your values, and finally your values become your destiny. So you can enjoy your life as it comes, and always you should try to be happy so that you can spread happiness. Okay. Suppose in our personal life also you can observe that in many families there will be lot of quarrels. So one person will be always shouting at the other person. So parents will be shouting at the children, husband will be shouting at the wife, father will be shouting at the mother. So all this, it will be some quarreling family. So if it is like that, there will be always negativity only in that family. Okay. So no proper or expected outcome, best outcome will come out of that house. The children will not study well, the work will not be done properly, all the things will be kept in not in proper places. Everything house would not have been swept for many days. So like that it will be very, very unclean. So that situation is one type of a family. The other type of family, nobody will be quarreling. Okay, so everything will be properly arranged and kept. The surroundings will be very clean and neat. So in that particular type of family, there will be lot of positive energy. There will be lot of positive outcomes. So the children will be studying very well. The parents will be doing the job in a very excellent manner. So their outcomes will be always best. Okay. So these two situations you can observe and you can choose the one which is giving the best. Suppose if your family is already in the particular example what I gave one. Okay. So you should try to sort out the situations. You should try to bring the situation to the control. Okay. So why quarreling is taking place? So what is the root cause of the quarrel? So what is that thing which is made to bring that, spoil the peace of that family? So like that you should identify. So if you sit and discuss, okay, suppose if husband and wife are having a quarrel, if both are sitting and discussing what is their problem, why, what is their expectation from the other person, okay. So if they talk mutually, with one another. They can sort out the situation. Okay. So this example I am telling between husband and wife. It may be between parents and children. It may be between a particular lady and her mother-in-law. It may be between friends. So whatever may be the other person, whoever may be the other person, you can try to see that. So everything can be sorted out. So only thing is that you should have a mind to see that you want to live in a way in which you are not yelling at the other person. Okay. So you are valuing the thinking of the other person. So like that you should try to respect the feelings of the other persons, all those who are living in the family, so that this family is having a very good harmony within one another in that family. And also the same thing will be actually executed with the society also. So with respect to stress management, you should also learn these 4 A's. So they are avoid, alter, adapt and accept. So you should try to avoid the causes of stress or person. So here 3 things are mentioned here: excessive traffic, watching news, coming late. Okay. So if watching news is giving you stress, please don't watch news. You change the channel, see some other program, whatever is giving you happy thoughts to your mind. Alter, change the environment, change the way you communicate. So this also will help you to come out of stress. Adapt, try reframing the situation more positively. Accepting the situation and then moving ahead. So many times we will not be able to accept that situation. So that is also creating lot of stress. So you should try to understand the situation, accept that situation, then your mind will think about the other options, how best you can do your task. So this person, Benjamin Franklin, he is defining stress like this. So it is 20th century syndrome born out of man's race towards modern progress and its complexities. So coming to the meditation, benefits of meditation: it facilitates a greater sense of calmness, empathy and acceptance of oneself and others. It is having lots of physiological benefits, psychological benefits and spiritual benefits. So about health and happiness, the suggestions for a happier life: realize that happiness may not come from financial success. So you may be thinking that having lot of money will bring you happiness. It is not like that. So if you just observe the life of those who are very rich, so they are not happy. Take control of your time. Act happy. Seek work and leisure that engage your skills. Okay. During your leisure time, you should identify what are your talents, what are your skills. So how best you can utilize those skills for your betterment. Okay. Buy shared happiness than things. So this is also suggestion for a happier life. So health improves happiness. Meditation also helps to be happy, savoring or living in the moment. So already we have seen about this. Sleeping. So how many hours we have to sleep. So all that we are going to see in future. Omega 3, having a healthy food. So happiness leads to energy and discipline. Start a gratitude journal. Pursue your passion. Make time and enjoy your time. master a new technology. You can learn new things, you can learn a new language, or you can learn a new instrument. You can learn many things. There are lots and lots of ways today. So in online mode, using your internet, you can try to learn many things what you do not know. Stimulate the mind in new ways. Forget about the results. Laugh out loud. Use good manners. Start a gratitude journal. Give positive reviews. Care for others. Strengthen your intimate relationships. Increase your circle of friends. Become an active member of the society. And have lots of fun. Mental health. It's a well-being about the mentality of the mind. It is very important as physical well-being, and one needs to maintain both in order to stay fit and healthy. So there are two types of emotions, positive emotions, which will help you to have more love with your intimate relationships, amusements, curiosity and joy. So negative emotions will take you or keep you in an angry mood. It will be taking you to the fearsome mood, jealousy, guilt. All those things are the examples for negative emotions. Then identifying and understanding the emotions, recognizing and describing the emotions, understanding the emotions, managing your own emotions, monitoring and reflecting on your own emotions, regulating the emotions. So we are going to see about a breathing exercise. So you can remove your mask for a while. So this exercise video will be played now. You can try to do the exercise. So it is easy. You can practice this. Yes. Shall we proceed to the next one? So now we are going to see about brain detox. Okay. So they are telling that in our brain. Okay. So below our skull and above our brain, actually there will be a empty space. Okay. So and they are telling that, so like how we are dusting our house. So like that we need to dust our brain also, to see that our brain is always active, kept in a very efficient way, so that whatever input comes to the brain, it is able to catch up that properly and do the activities in a better manner. Okay. So and many views. Okay, we are going to see a few videos regarding the brain. So where they are telling that we are not at all using the right brain. Okay. So please listen that 0.5 to 1% of the right brain is only utilized by any normal person who is using his right hand. So we are all not using the right brain. So in our department there is one person, he is only using the right brain. Okay. So we will see, listen to this video, then have some understanding about so what I have discussed now, then we will come to this. Okay. So please listen to this video. Okay, in this video we have seen about the causes of heart attack. Stress, having short temper. So you should change your usual behavior to come out of this. If you feel that I should not get heart attack, then you should avoid all these things. So whoever is having high BP already, having a high salt intake, having high cholesterol, having overweight, having all these habits, that is eating tobaccos, cigarettes, smokers, those who are having the habit of taking liquor. Okay, so all these persons are likely to get heart attack. So in order to avoid this situation, you should reduce the intake of salt, sugar and fatty foods. So every day you have to go for walking and you should sleep for 8 hours a day. And to add these items in your daily intake: turmeric, ginger, pepper, cumin, seeds, garlic, curry leaves, tiripala, sembarati, coriander and pudina. Okay. So all these items, so whatever is listed here, you have to have the habit of taking all these items on a daily basis. So next we are going to see about eye exercise. So please practice along with the video. Okay. So there is no need to remove the mask. So the exercise is going to be for your eyes. Okay. So you can practice this as many times as you like. Okay. There are no restrictions. You have to do this 5 times, 10 times like that. Okay. So as you like, you can practice this. So when you are finding any free time, leisure time, you can practice this exercise. So you can practice this 2 times a day. Your eyes with, you can wash your eyes with clean water. So every day when you are having your bath, you can take few seconds to just pour fresh water into your eyes. Okay. So I practice many of these eye exercises, and till today I have not gone for eye checkup. Okay. So many of my friends are already wearing their spectacles. I also eat lot of fish, do these exercises, wash my eyes every day, and also I will put this banana peels, especially this Sevare. So it will have a very thick banana peel. Usually we will be throwing it off. Okay. So you can apply that on your eyes and you can lie down for 5 to 10 minutes. You can see how refreshing your eye feels. Okay. So if you want very quick results, if you feel that your eyes are burning, okay, so you take this banana peel, keep in fridge for 1 hour, take it out, apply it, just put it on your eyes, lie down for 10 minutes. You will get very good relaxation. Have you done this earlier, any one of you? So none of you have done this. So please do this. So try with Sephora. Okay. So if you feel that keeping in the fridge and using it is not giving you any cold or cough, okay, you can do it keeping it in the fridge. So very quick relaxation will be, you can observe this. Okay. So you can practice this. Then about, so we have seen breathing exercise, brain detox, heart care, and about eye exercise. Okay. So now we are coming to the mind. So now we are going to see about brain exercise. So please listen to this video. So it is exercise for the brain. You can make use of the sheets given to you if you want to write and practice. So just quick review of this brain exercise. Taking a word and just pronouncing it in the reverse order. Doing simple activities using left hand, writing using your left hand, and write from right side to left side, climbing the staircase, car, or wherever you climb, using the less dominant leg first, and doing some physical exercises so that you're keeping your body and mind in a sound position. Then writing the questions using your right hand and writing the answers using your left hand. Okay. So practice this. The more and more you practice, the more you are going to make use of your right brain, so that you will get lot of solutions. Okay, so many directions you will get in doing any task. Then now we are going to see about how to get solutions to our problems. Okay, so we will have lot of problems. So this video, if you want, you can write in the paper given to you. These are all my problems. So I should come out of these problems. So later on, so at the end of the video, you will get knowledge. So you will know how to find a solution for this problem. Okay. So already if you very well know these are the problems, you can just keep those problems in your mind. So now we are going to get solutions to your problems. So all of you, I suggest to use your right brain and not to have any problem at all. So as suggested, you can just keep thinking in your mind about the problem, what you are facing, and take a piece of paper and write using the left hand. Okay. So if you practice this, you can come out of any problem, whatever you face. So now we are going to see how you can believe in yourself. Okay. So after this, only 2 more videos. Okay. There is another one video, and finally we are going to see about meditation. Then we are ending this session. So the learning is you should believe in your activities. Okay. The more you believe positively, so you will get lot of success. So I wish all of you to take all these positive points. Okay. And enjoy the successful life. So next, your thoughts will decide your future. So on this caption we are going to see another one video. So few exercises we have seen to keep our body in a healthy manner. Okay. Then few more videos we have watched in order to keep our mind healthy. Okay. So now we are going to come to the final and end of the program. So with this meditation. Okay. So we are going to now keep the soul in a best manner. Okay. So that we can enjoy every day in our life. Okay. So here also you can watch this meditation and you can practice this. Along with this, you can close your eyes and sit in a relaxed manner and you can follow the steps. Okay. So in between the middle, so they will just give a guideline to think about a problem. Okay. Or whatever you feel that certain things have to be fulfilled. So those places when it comes, you please think about your own situation. Maybe you only know better than explaining about this particular situation. Okay, whatever it may be. So think about that and please follow the steps given in this. Okay. So let us start this meditation. So you can close your eyes and you can sit in a relaxed manner. There is no in order to watch this, you just need to listen to this. So life is EXP plus EXP plus EXP. Yesterday was experience, today is experiment, tomorrow is expectation. So use your experience in your experiment today to achieve your expectation tomorrow. Thank you all. So with this, we have come to the end of the program. So practice as many things as what we have seen today here, so that you can enjoy your life, you can keep your body, mind and soul in a healthy manner. So wish you all the best for a successful life. both in your personal life as well as in your professional life. So thank you all.